In this video, I will explain how to recover a Telegram account without a phone number in a few steps. So first, let's head on to our browser or any browser that you're using. So for me, I'm using Safari. And let's just type in the search bar Telegram support. And then just click on the first page that pops up and open it. Let's wait for a while. So you will describe your problem, your email, and your phone number. So first, let's put our email. So for example, this is your email, and then your number. So for example, the number is 1 1 2 3 4 5 or something like that. And then let's head on to describe our problem. So for our problem, we need to recover our account without a phone number. So let's explain it to it. Then, hi, I have a problem with my account because I lost access and lost my phone number. Could you please help me? And then just submit it to Telegram support. And there you have it. Drop a comment below to let me know if this was helpful or if you need any more assistance. Your feedback is super important to me. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that follow button. Your support really helps in reaching more people who could benefit from this video.